Go forward. Lift your shirt up.
No, I'm not letting you hit my back.
No, you can't.
It hit the pants. Ow!
Let him just finish the barrel.
That missed. Did that hurt? No, that one didn't hurt at all. It hit the seam. Ow! Ah!
You're a chicken.
Ow! That hurt. How many are in there?
Now, Joey, look at the camera.
Hi.
How you feel, Mark?
My knee hurts.
You feel okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You sure about that?
My knee hurts.
Don't ever play with a
You
BB
realize
gun.
this is going to be on Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
Smile. How's your damage?
I don't have that much damage. Not
Sure?
right now.
How about Joey? You got any damage?
Nope.
All right. See you on Facebook. Say bye.
Bye.